everybody, it's Miss Katie. These are the instructions for target toss and also bowling. The materials you'll need for this activity are any sort of ball or stuffed animal that's soft, any kind of target like water bottles, bowls, or containers, and a ramp if you plan to use one. During this activity, family members can take turns tossing, rolling, or releasing a ball or a toy at a target. I'll now show you a couple of options. You can use water bottles as bowling pins for a target and a cardboard box as a ramp. You can use bowls, containers, or laundry baskets as a target and toss a toy ball or stuffed animals into them. You can also release or push the ball or stuffed animal into the bowls. Yay, I got all three! Another idea for a target is an unfolded cardboard box. I propped this one up on another box just to make it elevated. You can draw different shapes with different colors on the box as different little targets. Yay, I made it in the blue square! This also gives you a chance to talk about different shapes and colors. Let's see how many targets I can hit this time. You can take turns, keep score if you want, and have fun.